Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out cars to hire on the Iberia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the more button down below, and after that click on cars in the first column. Then you will be directed to a page where you need to set the pickup location. And then select the pickup date and then the drop-off date. Then set the country of residence and the custom type. After that, you should select the search for the vehicle. So tap on this red button down below, and you are going to find all of the relevant cars that can be found at this section. So tap on it, click on the button choose to check out all information. Here you can add additional extras such as GPS, satellite navigation system, snow chains, roadside assistance plus, and so on. And here you can find the price, and then click on the button continue, and you should add your payment method, and then you can finalize the process of booking the car. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.